Let's solve a couple of problems that involve the use of linear expressions. This particular problem you might be able to just figure out in your head, but we're going to use it as an opportunity to practice naming a variable and building the expressions that will help us solve the problem. So it's a baseball problem. Base paths are 90 feet long currently. So here's a baseball diamond, very tiny one. Each side is 90 feet all the way around. So, I mean, it's a diamond, but it's a square. If we rotated it like this, I'm not going to, but if we rotated it, it's a square, 90 feet on a side. It's just the way we normally look at it from overhead. It's laid out as a diamond. Let's say 90 feet is too short, and we want to extend the base paths a little bit. Like so, to make a new larger baseball diamond, and we want the total distance all the way around to be 440 feet. Like that. How much longer should the base paths be? Let's put a little, I'm going to put a little marker on each of these base paths. That's the original 90 feet. 90, 90, 90, and 90. Unknown how much we want to add to each of these base paths to make a new perimeter. Since it's unknown, we can make a variable name for that unknown, and when in doubt, let's just use x. Now these are all parts of a square, and so it's the same all the way around. How much are we going to add to each path to make the total perimeter now 440 feet? And so what we've set up is that these new base paths will each have length 90 plus x. There are going to be 4 of them. And when we add up 1, 2, 3, 4 lengths, we need to get the total perimeter of 440 feet. And so we've generated a linear equation that we can solve for x to tell us this mystery length. So if I multiply this out, 90 times 4 is 360, plus 4x equals 440. And then if I subtract 360 from both sides, I will end up with 4x equals 80. 80. My mind thinks one thing and my hand does something totally different. And then I divide both sides by 4. And I get x equals 20 feet. So how much should our original base paths be extended to make the total distance all around 440 feet? Well, we should extend them each by 20 feet, because then they will each be 110 feet in length, and 4 110 distances will add up to the 440.